Hello everyone, good to see that you're enjoying my recipes. Okay, now hands up all those who want to eat only healthy pasta. I'm sure you all must be really interested. Today I will make pasta made of red lentils full of proteins. This is the red lentil pasta which I have boiled in hot water with little salt in it. When it was cooked, I drained it and washed it with cold water and kept it ready with me like this. Yet another healthy ingredient of this recipe is the basil pesto sauce, but with a little twist in it. I have boiled the green peas and churned them with this basil pesto sauce. I took lots of basil leaves, added 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 8 walnuts, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of boiled peas to give it a nutty flavor. Heat the pan moderately, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, add the onions. Now when our onion is slightly pink, we add our vegetables. Add a little bit of salt just for the vegetables. I added 1 cup of boiled sweet corn, red bell pepper, green and yellow. We cover it for 3-4 minutes. Now we will add the pasta, half a teaspoon of salt. And now we will mix the basil pesto peas sauce. I'm sure you can make out how healthy pasta we are going to eat today. Nothing can be more satisfying than seeing your family eat a nutritious and a healthy meal. Usually the pasta sauce we buy in the market has lots of preservatives. I've mixed it nicely and we are ready to eat. Serve it hot. So enjoy this pasta. I hope you like this recipe. If yes, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have prepared a nutrition chart, the link of which is given in the description box below, along with other important links. Coming up with another video very soon. Bye bye till then.